Okay, guys, so I would like to show you how to use this batch size calculator from Wholesale Supply Plus. I usually use it for my lotions, body butters. Um, what else? I use it for making body washes, sugar scrub, and making wax melt and candles. It can be used for a variety of things. So what we're doing today is making bath bombs. Well, this does include a lot of math, guys, and basically, I'm sharing with you the percentage of each ingredient, and all the ingredients you use have to come. All the percentage that you added has to add up to 100%. So my I'm using grams over here. I recommend grams because this is a small batch. So my batch is 438 of every in all when you add it all up, 438. Okay, so uh let's see, baking. Oh sure, I don't have to write it. Baking soda. Oops, baking soda. I have that right? Citric acid. Cream of tar, SLSA, coconut oil, and poly 80 fragrance. Okay, as I said before, make sure I have everything. As I said before, this is a lot of math involved with this, but I'm just giving you my recipe and how it works out to calculate the grams, how much I would need for each ingredient. So baking soda, citric acid, cream of tartar, SLSA, oil, 80, and fragrance. Okay, so for the baking soda, I calculated it's 59%. For the citric acid, 34%. Cream of tartar is 3%. 0.5. For the SLSA, this is the foam and bubble. And the cream of tartar is the hardener. Coconut oil is the binder, one of the binders. Anything that's fluid, liquid is considered a binder for the for the for the bath bomb to take shape. 1%. And I think this is 1.5. So guys, I'm not here to teach math. I'm not here to teach math. I'm just giving you basically percentage for the ingredients that I use, and it all has to add up to 100. So when that's added up to 100, I can just click on calculate, so I get the amounts that I need. Okay, so all the grams is here. That's all the grams that is here, and that's it, guys. Okay, so all the measurements is in grams over here. So this is what you will be measuring out your baking soda, citric, cream of tartar, and so on and so on and so on. That's what you're going to measure out. And here you can type in spritz with water. Type in what colors you're using. Say like dye red 28. Just always make notes the next time you know what you need to do. You need to do for the next batch. Sometimes you might put a bit more oil. Let's say about 0.5 grams more oil. Add it in there. This is just per example. This is not part of recipe. This recipe is basically just the percentage and the measurement in grams. Some people may want to measure in ounces, and you might not have a scale that is less than 0.1 gram. I have a scale that can measure 0.08, but not a lot of people do. So that's why I would recommend measuring in grams. Okay, guys, I hope this helped you, and feel free to ask me any questions. Please keep in mind, I will not calculate your percentage for you. That's up to you. You can use this as your guide, use this percentage as your guide, and it's a lot more better than, measuring freehand. Okay, guys, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.